Yes. What are you?
I thought you said we were playing beans this night. Beans for dinner.
Yes.
I'm counting it now. So sit down, come and complete the counting. Sit down, complete the counting. Once it gets to food, your face must change. Hey, that one there now is 66. 66. That's what I've counted. Don't exceed 212 oh. When you finish 212, soak it for 2 hours. The beans will swell before you cook it.
212 seats.
It's too much, Abby. Make it 200. 200 is enough. How many will you eat? This cup, this rice now, half cup. I measure this one, I don't 2.5. Then if you count it 2.5, it should remain maybe 10 seed. Use half cup. Then to remain 1 cup and 10 seed. So yeah, count it 212 oh. I told you my own. If you like, finish the food before I come back. I'm saying it, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Why are you counting 5 as 1? Don't I see 212? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How hard is that? 1 by 1. Count it 1 by 1. Don't let anyone fall. Anyone fall now. Chicken swallow it. Your own bad. The short one. I'm seeing you. If we go 200, not 12 again. The one that said that is too much.
Am I the only one living with teacher? I'm not cooking any food. We all fast today.
Mama, it is. Okay today. It's not.
Stop nonsense. Are you there?
Thank God Auntie is here.
Thank God Auntie is here. Who is your mother's sister or your father's sister? Why are you fighting? What are you fighting for? Huh?
I was telling her that a spider is an insect and she said it's a mama.
And I said if a spider has leg, then it is a mama. Yes.
So 2 of you are foolish now. You don't know anything. Huh? A spider is the two, mama and papa, man and woman.
Auntie,
there is female and man.
That's not what we are saying. We have mama and aquatic animal.
Yes.
Come close. You go close to her. Hold her shirt. You too, hold her shirt. Oh yeah, it's your fight. You have to continue it. And someone that has the answer will come. Yeah, punch her. When she punch you in your left eye, you punch her back in her face.
You don't know the answer. You don't
punch
know
her back. Punch her back.
It's a mama. You don't know. Okay, today.
This auntie does not know anything. Just like you. Huh? You bought her itty body.
Oh, you're saying insulting me. You're saying insulting me.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani unama.
You're reading already? That's good.
Why are you always late?
That's how to say welcome to your teacher.
I told Mom that you cannot handle me very well. Ever since you were employed, you have taught me nothing.
I have taught you nothing. All this saliva that I've been talking since is nothing.
Beatrice, you're finally here.
Yes, sir. I'm
okay.
Okay, no problem.
See, I want you to do me a favor. Teach her very well. And don't leave her until I come back.
Oh, okay.
Even after the lessons, stay with her.
Okay.
Alright?
Take
care of her.
Yes.
I'll see you. Bye, Mom. Careful.
know you are a very smart girl. You are very smart. I want to ask you a question. Spider, is he mama or papa? Spider. Is Spider mama or papa?
Which one is mama or papa? Spider is an insect.
Yes, I know. I wanted to test you, to know if everything I've been teaching you, you are hearing it. You understand me? Yeah. Where are you going?
Good morning, teacher.
Hi. Good morning.
Please, I need your help.
Oh, yeah.
What is the meaning of interdenominational?
Oh, international.
Yes.
Oh. Hey. Did you see any two girls fighting here?
No, I did not see them.
Oh, okay. Interdenominational. You know, in is out. Inter will be outer. You go home and think about it. You will see the answer. Just calculate. I've told you now. The answer is there in your front. Just in your front. Think of it. Reason it.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good to see you. You're always looking very beautiful.
Now. Just now.
What is Nana? What? So she's the one you've been telling me about?
Yes.
What? Baby! How could you descend so low? She doesn't know anything at all.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to swallow me, but you want to insult me. Somebody's child is baby. Don't worry. Madam is coming and I will tell her.
Please. Oh, please don't tell
And the reason why she said I should not leave her when I finish lesson. You want to swallow me? Welcome, ma.
Welcome. Thank you very much.
Yes. Welcome, ma.
Hope you're doing very well, mommy. She's teaching you well. She's teaching me very well. You like her? No problem. Beatrice, thank you very much. You're catching up, right? Yes, ma'am. I forgot my driver's license, so let me pick it up. I'll be back soon. Take care of her while I come back. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Please don't tell her.
So, you can do marvelous things like this? Huh? The way you just jumped like a cat. No problem. My own is one condition. That's the only condition I will not tell your mother.
What is it?
Whether I teach you well or I don't teach you well, whether you understand or you don't understand, just sit down there and be smiling and be nodding. Let me collect my salary. My salary is the only thing that matters to me now. Did you hear what I told you?
Okay. You can go.
Oh, I can go for the day.
Bye-bye.
So you come back?
No.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? How can one page of this document just vanish? Vanish from the file. Look at it.
Your Highness, would you want me to go to the room and search for it?
Oh, for God's sake, I have searched all over the room. And I've turned the place upside down. There is virtually nothing.
Your Highness, I think I should double the search, sir.
I hope it is not what I am thinking. Because if it is, I will kill her.
Your Highness, kill who?
And
Concerning Bianca, no one has seen or heard from her. I've gone to their house and I was told that they've not seen her in 5 months, Your Highness.
I don't want to talk about her. I want the missing pages of this contract paper. The white man will be coming in 6 days. Why are you standing here looking at me? Go look for the papers.
All right, Your Highness.
Biatili sibani unamakwa nofu onye nkuzi. Biati na sokwanu okoti English yo. Onye nkuzi. Manoluze kako baseni fedele na pupo. Biatili sibaboso. Ifuko onye nkuzi osena kwatika ni mali yo. Hanchapu mama yo. Okwifone kuzi yo. Onye nkuzi. Manoluze kako baseni fedele na pupo. Biatili sibaboso.
Did you fast that you want to break the fast? No, I'm asking you, when did you fast that you want to break it? So only you want to finish this 3 fufu for 3 people? Only you? You're an unfortunate person.
Beatrice, please, I'm not in the right mood now.
I've told you before. Cut down on your food so that hair will grow in the middle of your head. It's not good for you. Only you want to finish all this fufu? Are you Goliath? Did you fight David? Even Goliath fought David, and David still beat him with a stone. Can you do this? Do it. No, do it. You cannot. It's food. Food.
Do you know you are too stingy?
Three hot fufu. You want to finish it. This one, half it. If I come back and you don't keep the remaining half.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
Let me start going. Because you know, once you swallow the first wrap, you have enough strength to punch me. Cut down on your food. You see now, I've broken the ground. Can you do this? As you are there now. As you are there. As you are there now. Do like this. Do like this. No, do like this. No, do it. You cannot. It's food. Food. See what you want to swallow.
The sun is hot. Just like that, hold on. Relax, don't worry. One client will soon pass. Just relax. Sure. That's the job for you.
This bike.
Relax.
You must work for me today.
What's wrong with you? What's your problem? You don't know the way to my post office. You've run this village.
Hey, is this bike, eh? I know where you are going to, Oga. Don't be annoyed. It's just that this bike. Don't know
you know where you are going to. We've run there over an hour now. You don't need from my post office.
Sorry, I know where you are going to. Just give me small time.
Where are you going to? Okay, where are you going?
Hey, madam, please, do you know you go to the former post office?
Post office is here.
Over there? And we've run there over an hour now.
That's what they do. If you want to go to the post office, you want to go to the market square, they will carry you around this whole village 4 times. So get to a particular place and say your money is 100 naira. You calculate it that you have gone around and you will give them the money.
Madam, why don't you mind your business?
That I'm doing. I'm minding my business. I'm showing him where the village post office is. It's down there. Collect your money from him. Let me show you where the post office is.
Give me your money.
I should give you your money.
I said,
wait now.
I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. Give my money. Hand to me.
How much will I give?
Give my money. You're stupid. If you want to change it, let me have it.
Oh yeah, leave me.
Give me first.
Leave me
give
first.
Me first.
You give him. Mind your business and give him.
Leave me first.
Listen, I said, give it to me first.
It's complete.
This is nonsense bike.
Let me show you. Let me show you.
Gigantic English yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Biatilisi baboso. till si banye una makwa nofu onye nkuzi Yeti na sokwano Confronting English yo Manoluze kako base ni fedele na pupo Yatilisi baboso Ifuko onye nkuzi ose na kwatika ni mali Hanchapo mamali Opifo ne kuzi nuo Manoluze kako base ni fedele na pupo Yatilisi baboso Yatilisi onye kuzi Yati na sopa gigantic English yo Manoluze kako base fedele na pupo Yatilisi baboso Yatilisi banye na makwa nofu onye kuzi Yati na sokwano Confronting English yo Manoluze kako
Hello, ma. No, ma. I'm not a fool. I'm not a foolish person. Yes, ma. No, I'm not stupid, ma. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm on my way now. I'm on the road. Yes, ma. I'm a late comer.
Because of you.
Sorry.
Yeah, let's go. Kusi.
This way. Let's take this way. Yeah, wash.
So, this is her plan. This is her plan, right? Okay. All right. This is her plan. Oh. This is her plan. Abby! Where is Abby? Abby!
Your Majesty!
Where is the gate man?
He's bathing at the moment, Your Highness.
And the car keys?
I have him with me, sir.
Fine, open the gate, we're going out.
If this move before, I could change my life. Hello? Boss, yes. Okay, if you reach there, just control me. Control me. No problem. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
She's not here yet. Maybe she will not come today. No, now. She has to come. Why would she leave with my books? Huh? She might come later. She had better come.
So where is it?
What are you talking about?
You were the last to touch the contract form from the white people. Where did you hide the page where the signature would be appended? Where is it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I am talking about?
Yes.
You don't. You possibly don't know what I am talking about. You don't. Look, let me warn you. I give you 48 hours to provide that page. Else, I will kill you.
How could you be this careless? You know what of this paper. Yes, I know I'm the last person that saw that page. But why does he hate me so much? Why does he hate me like this?
What are you looking for? Mommy, what are you looking for?
Wait.
Mom. Wait now.
Looking for a paper. Oh, the British leave here with any book.
Yes, she took some books home.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, why would you do that?
Mommy.
Man, check it out. Hey, Benji, my man.
Hey, I'm very happy today.
Hey, you win jackpot. I'm happy because I know there will be food in the house.
In which house?
In my friend's house. Go in.
It's high time you begin to reason like a normal human being. I have viewed you. I don't say and say you no get hope. You are hopeless. How many times have I told you that this place is not a restaurant?
Well, because I came to ask...
Does this place look like a where they sell food here? Every time food.
Is it because I came to ask you for food? Can't I ask a friend for food? What is wrong with you?
Have you forgotten that inside this house I am also hustling?
Am I not hustling?
Where is Beatrice? Where is that new comfort?
Oh, you're pretty welcome.
I don't want your welcome.
Where is Beatrice? Where is that Beatrice? Where is she?
Huh?
Can't you hear again?
Madam, what happened again?
Beatrice left with a book from my house yesterday, and that book contains an important document, and somebody is on my neck in respect of that.
Madam, when she left this morning, she was with some books.
I know that she left some at home, so just go inside and check if you can find that document and bring it to me. Donna, what are you scratching?
Did you see it?
He's still scratching. Where is the book now?
Madam, she used to lock her box whenever she's going out.
Oh God. Okay. Tell her I'll come back to look for her. So keep scratching.
Who is she?
She's a co-teacher in the neighboring school.
Her co-teacher? Are you sure Beatrice is a teacher? Because that woman looks like someone I've seen somewhere before. She's like a queen.
How can you say a thing like that?
And I don't think Beatrice is teaching anyway.
How can you say a thing like that?
That woman looks like her boss.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Let me go and look for her.
Look for her away. Wait first, wait. What about the food I told you? Somebody is hungry now. Behave.
Edu, Emegeme. Amagama. What is your problem? How many times have I told you that here is not a restaurant? Every time you start looking for food like somebody who is cursed. What is your problem?
Are you not hungry?
Look, this house that you are seeing me here. Now hustle are the hustle here.
Are we not hustling?
And stop insulting me here.
Are we not hustling?
You are who?
Okay, if you don't want us to talk about the food, let us go and do the yahoo. Let us talk about the yahoo.
Now you are talking now. When we go, come back, we will yahoo.
Where are we going? I hope there's food there.
One day they will post you. One day.
As I was saying, once I buy the former post office, I will turn it into a mini-mart worth millions of naira.
You do not mean...
And I will employ great minds like you to manage it. And I will place you on a fat salary, far worth than what you earn as a teacher.
I work for you.
Good.
I work for you.
Good, I like that. What do you have in that bag?
Books.
Books? Do you have some money at home so I can register you to be my partner? It will be easier for you to work with me.
Yes, I have money at all.
Good money.
Yes.
I'm of the opinion that you go home and bring the money so you can become partner. But please, do not tell anyone it was a fortune.
Minimart?
Yes, Minimart.
Millions of naira?
Yes.
I work there?
Yes.
I'm not telling anyone.
That's good, I like that. Yes, thank you. You can go home now and print the money. I'll wait for you right here. You're back. Don't worry.
Gigantic English, Manolise kakuba se fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani unamakwa nofu onye nkuzi. Yatina sukwano Okotik English yo. Onye nkuzi. Manolise kakuba se fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso.
I have not seen her.
Are you sure something has not happened to her?
Please don't say that again. I am scared already.
Scared over what? You should not be scared. Just go home and wait. She will be back. Maybe she went somewhere she does not want to tell you. Yes. And are you sure you've gone to the Ukudala to check?
I've gone to Ukose. It's not there.
What do we call it? She did not discuss anything with you. Not yet. You went down to the Ukudala. You didn't see her. You didn't see her.
I don't go Ukose. I don't see her. I don't go Ukudala.
Oh, funny man.
Boss, how far? Maka don't pay. Look, don't pay.
Kafu, relax. Relax. She went home to get the money. Just relax.
This woman, she's rich. Really? I know her. She has been teaching in that school for many years now.
Really?
Yes, she has the money.
That's good. That's good. Then we should be expecting more money from her. Oh. Good. All the money's in here. Good girl. You are smart. Very smart.
Very smart.
Hey, that's nice. Do you still have other money?
Yes, I have money that I hide.
Oh, you have other money that you hide?
Yes.
And you should go and get it. You see, the more money we have, the more chances of making more money. Are you okay?
Yes.
That's it. So I'm of the opinion you go now and get that one that you hide. Yes. So we'll add it to this.
You can get the more money.
Yeah, the more money. Yes, the one. Be very careful.
Be careful.
Careful. Smooth business. Wow. Smooth business.
Boss. Boss.
Oh my God.
So this thing is real.
I told you.
So we are going to be rich.
Yes.
I have a suggestion.
What suggestion is it?
Let's leave this place right now. Let's leave.
I will not leave here until I scrape all her money. This is smooth business. Yes.
That is good.
This is business.
This is nice.
This is good. No, come on. This is the first hit. This is business. Come on, relax.
Don't. Well, this is good.
This is big money.
Let her bring everything.
More.
I need to make it. Make it big.
See, we are going to make money in this village. So many mugus around.
Edu, yes. Where did you say you saw her?
I saw her closer to that uncompleted building down the road. One huge girl like that, the guy was trying to convince her, talking to her, and she was accepting. I don't like that.
And you didn't do anything?
What do you want me to do? I was coming out from the bush.
Benji.
Follow her.
Follow her to where? Look at how she's walking as if somebody does. What is it?
He took my money.
You're getting it?
My savings. Under the bed.
Saving?
In a blue packet.
Then
I took my saving. No. I have to become a millionaire. Minimart. I work there. I have to make money inside the minimart. My money.
Edu, you said it to me.
Madam.
For you people. I'm there.
Which take this? Now, why your people?
Minimart. No more to change job. Minimart. Fat salary. My money, please. I'll kill somebody. I need my money. I will come.
Why pour me water now? Eh? What's the problem? Why you pouring on my face water?
Edu, she's fine. You said it to me.
Said what?
You are saying your savings. You want to make money. You want to become a millionaire. You want to enter minimart. You don't want to do teaching again.
My savings. I hope nobody went to where I'm saving my money, oh.
Beati, you were lucky that Edu came here. If not, those boys would have drowned you and, in fact, dupe you of your money.
That man with suit, though.
I saw him. One huge guy like that.
Is it Wayo man?
Wayo people.
My money. Yeah, go to my mother right there.
Boss.
What?
Are you sure she will still come? It's over an hour she left. Hi.
Whoa. Kafu, this looks like a blown job. It's like this matter don't cast.
Hi. Now. First, let us check this bag. What do I do? Let us check this bag.
Ha! Fufu.
Pencil. Hi. What is all this now, eh? What is all this? Don't tell me this is another blown job. Eh? Hey.
What is the meaning of all this?
Oh. What is this now? Hey.
Biatilisi onye nkuzi Biati na sokwa gigantic English yo onye nkuzi Manoluze kakobaze fetele na popo Biatilisi baboso Biatilisi banye unamakwa nofu onye nkuzi Biati na sokwa no okoti English yo onye nkuzi Manoluze kakobaze ni fetele na popo.
What are you doing?
I want to cook the yam.
You want to cook this yam? For who?
Just two of us.
So you want to murder this yam? This yam will go on suicide note. You kill this yam, you murder it. For only you and I. You eat too much.
Why are you treating me as if I'm a slave in this house?
No, I'm advising you.
Too much of food is not good for your rectum. It is still not good for your ozone layer. Because by the time you eat too much, it will metamorphose into economic meltdown. And that economic meltdown, that is why there is no hair on your head. That is why. One, two. Cut two from me. That's it. Cut it there.
You are treating me like this because I do not have a job.
Yes, maybe. Cut it from here. Cut it. Like he's cut it. Cut it from there. Cut it. Bless your soul. You cook that one. Yeah? By the time you cook that one, you begin to eat less. Before you know what is happening, it will be afro.
Where's Beatrice?
Huh?
Where is Beatrice?
Madam, welcome.
Where is Beatrice? I am giving you 2 hours to provide her. Else I will involve the police to pick you up.
Huh?
Alright, you want me to involve the police?
Huh?
You want me to involve the police? No problem.
don't know where she is. But what did she do?
How can she leave my house with a book that does not belong to her?
Oh.
Odimma.
All this anger is just because of book.
No problem, you're going to hear from me. If it's because of a book, you're going to hear from me. I'm going to involve the police. If I carry on.
Beatrice! Where is she? Beatrice! Beatrice!
Boss!
Yeah?
Boss. Boss.
Yes.
Don't tell me you are trying to run away with this money.
No, how can I run away with me, Don? I am trying to look for a conducive place who can break this treasure and collect the money and share it.
Conducive place?
Yes.
What happened to this place now? Hey, let us break this thing here. Here is very conducive.
Kafo, listen. I am the boss here. Whatever I say happens.
I know you are the boss. But when it comes to this money, let us just break it. Let us boss this. Wait, boss. Wait. Boss. Wait.
Because you are holding the boss. You are holding the... Okay, leave me alone.
Boss. Let us just break it.
Okay, leave me alone. Leave my coat. Leave my coat.
Oh yeah, leave the box.
Leave my coat.
Leave the box.
Kofi, leave my coat.
Leave the box.
Kofi, leave my coat.
Boss.
Kofi, I brought this idea.
Don't do this to me, oh.
Kofi, leave my coat. I've been going very stubborn.
Boss, it's not like that. But let's just break this box.
Hold on now, hold on. Okay. We'll break it. We'll hold on.
Upstairs or this side? Let's... Boss, you are wasting time. Are you thinking about it? After you. You are the boss, after you.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Gatilisi baboso. Gatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Gatina sokwano okotic English, yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na.
Madam, I'm going. Where are you going?
I'm going to Mercy. Oh, no. A Catholic church.
A Catholic church. I will find the priest. 1,000.
No. Leave my bag alone. We have to agree to disagree before we embark on this journey and disembark at the point of entry.
Ogono, what are you saying?
I'm saying that we have to agree. I don't want to drag my bag, and then when we get there now, there's a problem. So we have to disjoint and agree on the movement.
I will take you to the priest. Just pay me 1,000 naira. Oh, 1,000.
No. 150.
150.
It's not far, it's just here. Yes, here.
Take it if it is not far. Take. You think I am using your lane to learn the motor? I buy fuel.
No. Don't insult me. Unless something is gigantically wrong with your medulla oblongata. And if something is wrong with it, I'm going to lash your score and reformat your number axis.
I'm going to
sue you for trying to assault a mama.
Are you insulting me? Because you know too much book, eh?
No. It's self-defense. If a policeman stop you and you just tell him, I'm going to gigantically distort your medulla oblongata, I'm going to lash your brain, and I'm going to reform your axis number, they let you go.
They won't collect money from me.
They let you go. It's self-defense. They say, this thing I'm telling you now is what I teach people, and I collect money. I get paid for it, but now I'm giving it to you for free.
It's not glamour that I want. It's money. My child and my wife will eat 1,000 naira.
300.
300.
400?
No. 1,000 last.
500.
I had a regular fish.
550. 580.
No, I have children to feed. It's not glamour that I will use.
Okay. 600.
Yatilisi onye kuzi. Yatina sokwa Manoluze kakobaze fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani una makwana.
Seriously, I don't like this one. Just open. Just open what?
Just let's do anyhow. We can open.
Do you have any issue with you? Open it.
Wait, it will open it. Let me open it for you.
Wait, let me.
Let's break it. This one will open it.
Hold on. Give it to me. Give it to me, boy.
Break it.
No, hold on.
Open it, open. Open it. Which one is A? What is this? Huh? Paper.
I am owing Benji 5,000 naira.
Huh?
I am owing the carpenter 2,000 naira.
Hey.
I borrowed 5,000 naira from my madam.
Hey.
Today is just a useless day. Hey.
So, no now, Don't tell me this is another blow job. So this woman wrote down the names of those that she's owing. Hey! No now. No. So we are the real Mugus here.
You are the Mugu. I'm not the Mugu.
Look at it now. We are the Mugu here. We are.
This playing us all this while.
Hey.
I never. I didn't even notice it.
Hey, what is this? Hey. Oh.
Hey. Hey. This woman has been playing us all this time.
Officer of the law.
Yes.
Hey, how is work?
Work is fine.
Please remove the road block. I'm going to carry my sick mother to the clinic. Huh?
Calm down. Open your boot.
Officer, I am not in the mood to give you my money. Oh. I am a federal convoy. Or is your Blangata jangastically informed? Eh?
What did you say?
You heard
What's
me.
going on here?
You heard me. Is your Blangata jangastically
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Hey, hey, hey! Oh, oh,
Let's treat that property.
Come and carry your car, idiot. We'll be here now. Let him come and carry it.
What is this saying? Janga Jungo?
Janga. I don't know.
Baby, please manage this money. Before Christmas, I'll complete it. Just do your hair, do your makeup,
Hey, Nico, I'm no longer comfortable with this. If you continue like this, I'll cut off this relationship.
Cut it off. Shweda, do you know you don't have conscience? You don't have conscience. You are here giving this chicken your money. Me and your sister, you cannot give me 5 naira. You lied to me that I don't have money. Look at the kind of hair I'm carrying. Yeah. It's not fair.
Ugoma, are you mad? Will you give to me what she's giving me?
Chineke me.
Oh yeah, come on, go home.
Me. Now you're here, your sister is insulting me, right? Don't worry, we shall see.
Wait, calm down.
Why you're wearing short eyelash? If I give it,
are you
Chineke me. Brother!
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Benji! Wait. What is after you, Benji? You can't believe that woman came to my house with the police. Hey!
Are you sure your woman did not steal anything from her?
In fact, that is what I don't know.
And where is Beatrice now?
I don't know. Before I could open my eyes, she has gone with her loads. Huh? What kind of a thing is this?
Benji, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful.
Careful is an understatement. In fact, I am not going back to that house again. You see,
where are you going now?
Benji, I'm not going to that house.
Latina super gigantic English yo. Manolu se kakoba se fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi.
Kechi, come on, will you stop here? Are you not the one I'm calling? Give me that money. Give me that money now.
Did you give me any money?
You're asking me a question. So you think I don't know that my brother has been spending all his money on you? See, don't just try me this afternoon. Give me that money.
Meaning what? Ugoma, look, I'm respecting you.
You're respecting me. Who you respect him? No, what am I going to do with your respect? See, don't allow me to just descend on you this afternoon. Give me that money.
Come on, collect now.
Give me that money.
Give me any money.
At your age, you know money.
What is your problem?
Give me that money.
You don't give me any money. Come on,
Give me that money.
Leave this money.
Oh, because you're putting me. Give me that money. Look at
Leave this money. Come on, leave this money. Leave this money. Leave it. Did you give me any money? Leave this money.
I will take this money.
Come on,
you are not going to
give me anybody to give
money.
money.
Give me. At your age, you know money.
Come on.
That textbook that you don't mention to me. Mom. Mommy.
Dorothy, whatever is in that book is very important to me. It's very, very important.
Something very important that you can't tell your own daughter. And you even went to call the police for her.
Dorothy, what is it? Dorothy, just let me be. Allow me to think. Just let me think. Just leave me alone.
Auntie, oyoyo, 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 auntie, don't come back, 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 our auntie don't come back, that's not come back, okay.
Your daughter has taken a reverse turn back home. It means I have arrived.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You are welcome, my daughter.
Hey! The rain. Gracias.
My daughter.
Mama.
You now speak Oyibo.
How is Papa, Mama?
Your father?
Yes.
He's sleeping. He just came back from night vigil.
He's lying in state. Let me go and surprise him with his hug.
Yeah.
Let me go and giggle.
Which one is giggle?
Mama, let me Google in and Google out.
Yes. Oyibo. Hey, go ahead, my daughter.
What do you buy for your boys?
I have a gigantic web package for you. Let me first gulu in and gulu out.
Hey! No! Some is heavy. Yeah. Hey!
Hey! This man! What is it?
Sorry.
Hey, wait. See me see trouble. This Edes, they are always behaving like Ede. What is wrong with this man, sir? This driver? Hey, whoa. Hi. He has spoiled my dress. Oh my God. Hi.
Like the father,
hey.
like the son, like the father, like the son. like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son. Even
No, wow. They could be at you. Vietnam speaks big grammar. I think I'll make her my friend before another man does. Piatti of yesterday won't be it when we're in school. Yeah? Hey, God.
Actually, you came so early today. What happened?
Papa, mother, today is Friday now. Today is Friday.
Yeah, I remember. But why were you talking to yourself and snapping your fingers?
Papa, you can't believe this. Beatrice now, the daughter of Nzelu.
Oh, Beatrice?
Yes.
Okay.
She's back from the city. Papa, Beatrice is now sound and very educated.
So? What is wrong about that?
Papa, in my wildest dream, I would have never believed that Beatrice will make it alive. She's now sound, beautiful, very educative. Father, Papa, she's everything now.
Actually, tell me something more important. So you mean because Beatrice speaks good English, if you call that good English, that you were talking to yourself like a madman?
Papa, I don't understand.
Hey, Biko, tell me something else. When I was thinking something good is fishy.
I wasn't even talking to you, sir. Nah, you could butcher this girl before another man eating yaka there. Bam, no go miss some more. Beati.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Auntie, my brethren, you are still here.
Yes.
This is love. Love at the apple. Oh,
Auntie,
this is love.
what do you prefer so that we'll go back to the church?
Patience, my brethren, patience. Asim Guinea.
Patience, my brethren, patience.
Let me now give you treasure. You are the seniors. Ta-da! Thank you,
Auntie Bia, what do you buy for us now? Now book we go chop.
No. Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Yes. There you go. Yes. Oh, you. There you go. And there you go. Yeah. When you get home, last caveat on these books, and you will be happy. Say thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
This is the best gift, and we appreciate this gift.
We appreciate this.
You are the best.
You are the best.
Go home now.
Thank you, Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma. Let me go inside there. For you to eat something light. Give me something light.
Whatever it is.
I want something light.
Yati na sopa gigantic English yo. Manolo se kakoba se fetele na popo. Yati lisi baboso. Yati lisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Yati na sopa no okotic English yo.
What's after you? My husband! What is it?
My husband? Huh? What is after you? Who is after you?
If the priest come here, Huh? Tell them my husband died.
God forbid. I reject it. All the only possible. Hey, my husband is not dead. Iwumbe, you are not dead. Hey. Eh? What? Ah! See your face. Hey. What happened to your face?
Iti, volleyball.
Hey!
Oh. Hey. Hot water.
Hot water?
Yes, you miracle. Hey, be a mere. Hey, I don't need any more. Miracle.
Hey.
Get hot water, hot water. Hot water. That is why I've come. I still love you so much, B.
Chibi, level has changed. Level has changed.
See, I can take care of you now. And I'll work in the microfinance bank. I can take care of you.
Are you sure? Because looking at you now, I remember when we were kids, when we went to write exam, and you were covering your book so I won't see anything. I ended up submitting an empty sheet.
That was then. I was a boy then. But now, I am a full-grown man.
I'll think about it.
Okay, can I follow you and wait while you think about it?
If you want to, I'll be sleeping. Yes.
Okay, I'll wait. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. I sing.
Oh.
No, I'm let's go. Sing.